Swan Mist Curling Iron Brush 1-inch Tourmaline Ceramic Ionic Hair Curler Volume Styling Hot Brush with adjustable temperature for all hair types, travel-friendly dual voltage. 3-in-1 multifunctional styler, you can use it as a curling iron, straightening brush or normal comb. Note: no hot air brush. Not rotating brush, you'll never get burned. Anti-scald nylon bristles and big cool tip effectively prevent you from burning. No tangling issues if you comb through and section your hair before styling. Tourmaline Ceramic Barrel for healthier hair. The 3X Tourmaline Ceramic Coating Barrel release millions of negative ions while delivering even heat, help to reduce frizzing, lock more moisture, make your hair shiny and healthy. Adjustable temperature for all hair types. Advanced double PTC heating technique ensure instant heat up. Press the power button to choose the different temperature from 300-430 according to your hair type. Safe and easy to use, button automatically lock in 3 seconds of non-use to avoid wrong pressing during styling. Double press the power button to unlock. It will automatically shut off after 1 hour for greater safety in case you forget to turn it off. Dual voltage 100 to 240 V for worldwide use. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.